Hello and welcome to How2R. This is a video series where we're using R for your basic data analytics needs. And in this video, we're going to show how to subset data. So what we see here is the code we're going to be working with. And what we're going to want to do is we want to create a new data frame. We're going to take our sales data frame, which is all of our sales, and we want to create a separate data frame that's going to contain only sales for the sales channel that is equal to online. So if we take a look at our existing data, we can see that we have our channel. There's an in-store, online, distributor, a wholesale. So we have different channel types. What I want to be able to do is just pull all those transactions that were online and move them or copy them into a separate data frame. So first we can take a look at the data set again. We can see the different fields that we have, and we can verify that we have the different types of distributor channels. So what we're going to do next is then we're going to identify those transactions or those observations where the sales channel is equal to, that's the double equal sign, the value of online. So if a sales channel or the channel field is online, is equal to online, then what we're going to do is we're going to take that data and copy that into a new data frame called online sales. And for some reason, we have a comma at the end of this. We don't have any parameters after that, but we did need to put that comma in there. So make note of that. And again, I'm using the data frame name. And then my filter is sales data frame name, field name, which is channel, is equal to online. And then it's going to move those or copy those into my new data frame. When I do this, I can now take a look up here at my global environment, and I have online sales, and we can see that there are 2,428 observations, and it is copying all variables into that. So now I can take a look at that new data frame. It's the same data structure, and we can see that it took a subset of my sales data where the sales channel is equal to online and copied that into my new online sales data frame. Now, there's a really quick way to get rid of that data frame too. So if I no longer need that online sales data frame, I can use the RM or remove function to be able to remove that data frame. So in this case, that data frame that I just created, I'm going to use the RM function to remove that, and now I can see up in my global environment that newly created data frame has been removed. So this is how we subset data. We just copy data from an existing data frame and using filters. In this case, we used a filter of channel equals online and move that or copy that all the observations where that criteria is met and copy that into a new data frame. And then we use the RM function to remove the data frame.